Lately, I talked to a great expert and I realized she's charging per hour in her coaching business. And if you are doing the same, then this video is for you because I would like to show you the way how to do it smarter. It's for you if you are expert, if you are consultant who is selling to the companies or trainer and you want to have a thriving expert business. Hi, welcome on this video. Today I would like to talk how to sell your services and to avoid doing it per hour, per day or per training. Because this is not a sustainable way, right? And I believe you can thrive as an expert when you have the financial stability, when you have predictability in your business. And if you are doing and charging per hour, day or training, then you need to focus on selling a lot. Either you need a big pipeline of prospective clients you are selling to, or you need to sell to existing clients next session over and over so that they stay with you. And this is a hard work. And I believe it's also not very good for your clients, because what your clients really want from you is a transformation. And be honest, if you are working with them for a short time, or if you are doing training just for one department, will it make such a big difference, such a big impact? The answer is no, and you know it. So how to do the bigger transformation? And bigger transformation, of course, leads also to bigger impact, higher income. How to do that? Let's take 3 examples. 1, you are trained. And as a trainer, you are offering training. And you are selling this training, for example, to companies. So you are going to different HRs and selling this training. They might do for one department, even for few departments. But then you need to go and offer this training to others. What you could do instead? Bigger transformation for a company, it starts from the top. So what I would do is to go to the top and to do the first assignment for the board of directors. Like this, you will have a bigger impact. And if they like it, then maybe they will also ask you to do this kind of training for whole company. In any case, you are paid different money because you are not providing training for just any department. So we are not talking about 2K assignment. We are talking about 20K assignment when it is for the board members. Different story, right? Let's take another example. You are a coach. So you are not working with companies, you are working with individuals, right? Maybe you provide services and you are paid either per session or 10 session. This is already better than one. It's a package, right, of 10 sessions. But then there is a stop and then you need to find another client. And you help them. And if you were successful, then your job is done. So probably they don't need your services anymore. So you need to find another client. This is also not a very smart way how to do. So what I would do instead is to do the longer packages with your client to help them to go deeper on the transformation for them. For example, if you offer to find a new company, new position, either an existing company or in a new company for an employee, for a manager, right? So you can offer the longer package because you can offer something else, not only finding an assignment, but also be successful because the first 100 days are the most important. So you can find other things which you can sell, and you can sell for longer time. Let's take another example. You are a consultant, so you are paid for your advice. In this case, I would really not advise you to charge per hour. Your expertise, you have acquired it over years. Why to sell it per hour? You should sell per result you are providing. So there shouldn't be question about how much physically you spend with the client or working for the client. It's for the result you are offering with your advice. Either it is for the project or for the department or for the company transformation. In all three cases, we are talking about transformation in your packages and not about how much time you will work physically with the client. So focusing on transformation, and this is what, instead of focusing on how you will do that, this is a really game changer. If you start to think that yes, this might be way, but you are still unsure because it means also charging higher prices. We are not talking about few hundreds, few thousands. We are talking about multiple thousands per assignment. So this might already trigger something in you. If you want to talk it through and want to brainstorm about your transformational offer for your business, you can change the way you are doing the business, your offers, and what it can bring it to you and to your clients. And this is my specialty. This is what I love to do. So I hope to see you there.